Welcome everyone. My name is Mr. J. Bolu David, a physical and health education teacher, and I want to give a brief seminar on the topic, hurdle jump or race.
Interesting. Go ahead.
Hurdling is the act of jumping over an obstacle at a high speed, or in a sprint. In the early 19th century, hurdlers ran at and jumped over each hurdle, sometimes known as burgles, landing on both feet and checking their forward motion. Today, the dominant step patterns are the 3-step for high hurdles, 7-step for low hurdles, and 15-step for intermediate hurdles. Hurdling is a highly specialized form of obstacle racing, and is part of the sport of athletics. In hurdling events, barriers known as hurdles are set at precisely measured heights and distances. Each athlete must pass over the hurdles. Passing under, or intentionally knocking over hurdles, will result in disqualification. Accidental knocking over of hurdles is not cause for disqualification, but the hurdles are weighted to make doing so disadvantageous. The most prominent hurdles events are 110 meters hurdles for men, 100 meters hurdles for women, and 400 meters hurdles, both sexes. These 3 distances are all contested at the Summer Olympics and the World Athletics Championships. I have come to the end of the discussion.
Thank you so much for your presentation. Indeed, it is wonderful. But can you tell us any achievement on Nigerian athletes in the game of hurdles at international events?
Team Nigeria's women 4x100 meters relay team in August 2022 broke a jinx to win an elusive 4x100 meters women's relay gold medal at the Commonwealth Games at the Alexander Stadium in Birmingham, United Kingdom. Inspired by World and Commonwealth Games, 100 meters hurdles champion Tobia Muzan, Nigeria's women relay team won with a new African record of 42.10 seconds, which erased the 1-month-old 42.22 seconds African record they set in Oregon, USA, at the World Athletics Championships. I want to show you hurdle games been played by some students in White Pearl International School. I'm sure you shall be entertained at the end.
Go ahead, I can't wait to see that.